Quick tips to get rid of bloating. Bloating usually happens when excess gas builds up in the stomach or intestines. When bloating occurs right after a meal, it usually resolves itself, but it is often possible to speed up this process. The best way to tackle bloating is to determine its cause. Common triggers for bloating include digestive issues, constipation, food allergies, and intolerances can lead to bloating. When stool becomes backed up in the large bowel, it can cause bloating and a feeling of discomfort. Excess gas may also build up behind the stool, making the bloating worse. Diet. Fizzy drinks, too much salt or sugar, and not enough fiber in the diet can all cause bloating. Hormonal changes. Many people experience bloating before and during their periods due to hormonal changes and water retention. Many home remedies can help to manage the pain and discomfort of bloating. The following quick tips may help people to get rid of a bloated belly quickly. Be sure to subscribe and like for more health tips. 1. Go for a walk. Physical activity can get the bowels moving more regularly, which can help to release excess gas and stoolie. Getting the bowels to move is especially important if a person is feeling constipated. A walk around the block can provide fast relief from gas pressure. 2. Try yoga poses. Certain yoga poses can position the muscles in the abdomen in a way that encourages the release of excess gas from the GI tract. This can reduce bloating. 3. Try abdominal massage. Massaging the abdomen can help to get the bowels moving. A massage that follows the path of the large intestine is especially helpful. People can follow the steps below to do this. Placing the hands just above the right hip bone. Rubbing in a circular motion with light pressure up toward the right side of the rib cage. Rubbing straight across the upper belly area toward the left rib cage. Moving slowly down toward the left hip bone. Repeating as necessary. If the massage causes any pain, it is best to discontinue it immediately. 4. Use essential oils. A study from 2016 tested the effectiveness of supplements containing a combination of fennel and curcumin essential oil in 116 people with mild to moderate IBS. After 30 days, people reported an improvement in their IBS symptoms, including bloating and abdominal pain. People should not consume essential oils without speaking to a doctor first. This is because some formulations may be toxic or can interfere with medication, and there is no regulation of dosages. 5. Take a warm bath, soaking, and relaxing. The heat of the bath can provide relief for a sore abdomen. Relaxation can reduce stress levels, which may allow the GI tract to function more effectively and help reduce bloating. Long-term solutions for bloating. Quick fixes are not always effective for some causes of bloating. However, people who have frequent bloating may find that certain lifestyle changes can tackle the causes and reduce bloating over time. People can use these simple steps to try to prevent bloating in the long term. Increase fiber gradually. Eating more fiber helps to prevent constipation and bloating. Most people in America do not get enough fiber, with only 5% of people meeting their recommended daily fiber intake of 25 grams for females and 38 grams for males. However, it is important to bear in mind that eating too much fiber or increasing fiber intake too quickly can cause even more gas and bloating. People may notice adverse effects from eating more than 70 grams of fiber a day. When increasing fiber intake, it is best to start slowly and increase the intake over several weeks to allow the body to adjust to this change in the diet. Replace sodas with water. Fizzy, carbonated drinks contain gas that can build up in the stomach. The carbon dioxide that makes soda and similar beverages fizzy can also cause bubbling and bloating in the stomach. Sugars or artificial sweeteners in the diet can also cause gas and bloating. Drinking water eliminates these issues and helps to treat constipation as well. Avoid chewing gum. The sugar alcohols in gum can cause bloating in some people. Swallowing air while chewing also may lead to bloating and gas pain. People can use ginger mints or peppermints to freshen their breath instead. Cut down on salt. An excess of sodium causes the body to retain water. This can cause a swollen and bloated feeling in the belly and other areas of the body, such as the hands and feet. Subscribe, follow and like for more daily health tips.